Welcome back in the next video of this series. Today we are going to cover CRT-450 Salesforce Certified Platform Developer First PD1 Questions and Answers Part 10. If you like this content, please subscribe our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Now let's begin. The question is, a developer considers the following snippet of code. Based on this code, what is the value of x? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, Universal Containers implemented a private sharing model for the account object. A custom account search tool was developed with Apex to help sales representatives find accounts that match multiple criteria they specify. Since its release, users of the tool report they can see accounts they do not own. What should the developer use to enforce sharing permissions for the currently logged in user while using the custom search tool? Option A. Use the schema describe calls to determine if the logged in user has access to the account object. Option B. Use the user info Apex class to filter all SOQL queries to return records owned by the logged in user. Option C. Use the with sharing keyword on the class declaration. Option D. Use the without sharing keyword on the class declaration. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, how should a developer write unit tests for a private method in an Apex class? Option A. Add a test method in the Apex class. Option B. Mark the Apex class as global. Option C. Use the see all data annotation. Option D. Use the test visible annotation. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is, an approval process is defined in the expense underscore item underscore C object. A business rule dictates that whenever a user changes the status to submitted on an expense underscore report underscore C record, all the expense underscore item underscore C records related to the expense report must enter the approval process individually. Which approach should be used to ensure the business requirement is met? Option A. Create a process builder on expense underscore report underscore C with an Apex action type to submit all related expense underscore item underscore C records when the criteria is met. Option B. Create a process builder on expense underscore report underscore C to mark the related expense underscore item underscore C as submittable and a trigger on expense underscore item underscore C to submit the records for approval. Option C. Create two process builders, one on expense underscore report underscore C to mark the related expense underscore item underscore C as submittable and the second on expense underscore item underscore C to submit the records for approval. Option D. Create a process builder on expense underscore report underscore C with a submit for approval action type to submit all related expense underscore item underscore C records when the criteria are met. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, if Apex code executes inside the execute brackets method of an Apex class when implementing the batchable interface, which two statements are true regarding governor limits? Choose 2. Option A. The Apex governor limits are reset for each iteration of the execute bracket methods. Option B. The Apex governor limits cannot be exceeded due to the asynchronous nature of the transaction. Option C. The Apex governor limits might be higher due to the asynchronous nature of the transaction. Option D. The apex governor limits are relaxed while calling the constructor of the apex class. Correct answer is option A and C. Next question is, what are two ways a developer can get the status of an enqueued job for a class that implements the queuable interface? Choose 2. Option A. View the Apex Jobs page. Option B. View the Apex Status page. Option C. Query the async Apex Job object. Option D. View the Apex Flex queue. Correct answer is option A and C. Next question is, which process automation should be used to send an outbound message without using Apex code? Option A. Flow Builder. Option B. Process Builder. Option C. Workflow Rule. Option D. Approval Process. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, a developer must modify the following code snippet to prevent the number of SOQL queries issued from exceeding the platform governor limit. The above method might be called during a trigger execution via a Lightning component. Which technique should be implemented to avoid reaching the governor limit? Option A. Refactor the code above to perform the SOQL query only if the set of opportunity IDs contains less 100 IDs. Option B. Use the system.limits.getLimitQueries bracket method to ensure the number of queries is less than 100. Option C. Refactor the code above to perform only one SOQL query, filtering by the set of opportunity IDs. Option D. Use the system.limits.getQueries bracket method to ensure the number of queries is less than 100. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, how does the Lightning Component Framework help developers implement solutions faster? Option A. By providing an agile process with default steps. Option B. By providing code review standards and processes. Option C. By providing device awareness for mobile and desktops. Option D. By providing change history and version control. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, which three web technologies can be integrated into a Visual Force page? Choose 3. Option A. JavaScript. Option B. CSS. Option C. Java. Option D. PHP. Option E. HTML. Correct answer is B, C and E. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.